Welcome back to Squawk Box this morning. Our top corporate story, China opening an antitrust investigation into Alibaba. And for that, we want to get right to Eunice Yoon, who joins us this morning for evening in Beijing. Eunice, good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. So today, the country's top market regulator said that it's opening an investigation into Alibaba for alleged monopolistic behavior, what's known, especially here as a common practice, as pick one of two. So this is forcing merchants to work only with the e-commerce giant as opposed to any of its rivals. Separately, Ant Group was called in for a discussion, summoned to talk about fair competition and consumer protection. So all of these moves come at a time when Jack Ma, only a couple of months ago, had made a fiery speech where he was highly critical of the regulators, and also at a time when Beijing, and in particular the Xi Jinping administration, is looking to exert more control over private industry, ostensibly to weed out some systemic risk. So there's been a lot of talk now today about what the potential impact could be on Chinese tech. Most people here are saying that they expect the enforcement to come into play, that a lot of the larger Chinese tech companies are going to face several potential penalties, such as everything from slap on the wrist fines to demands for restructuring of their business model. And then the nightmare scenario that's been discussed is a possibility to the end of the VIE structure, which is a structure that allows foreign investors to buy into some of these Chinese tech firms. So a lot of discussion here, a lot of concern. But one thing that is the saving grace, at least discussed here among Chinese tech folks, is that these Chinese tech companies, at the end of the day, are important to Beijing because Beijing wants to have national champions. And we saw that reflected in the state press when the official People's Daily, very soon after this announcement came out, had written up how, though it's in favor of this investigation, that the purpose of the investigation is only to have better development of the online economy as opposed to anything else.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.